I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. Niggas already know niggas scared. Cause when a pistol come around, they know I'm that nightmare. They come around, the nigga from the darkness. The niggas in the game, they tail like a bear. Niggas already know, nigga, I really do not care about these motherfuckers. Say the kid not fair. He always coming with the heat, explosive for the dead. They already know the niggas coming, talking how you did. I know you hear the niggas don't care. The niggas in this bitch, nigga thought niggas spare. These niggas from the death, nigga pistol got prepared. The little niggas they know son dog must be real. I know you hear the nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear the nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear the nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear the nigga, smell your fear. And niggas see is the kid with the gangster. I know you in the game, niggas with the bangers. Cause we round with the burners, burning your ears up. When them niggas come around with their clear shit. And niggas see them the kid from the roof this year. And from these days, they be chillin' me the dog there. And I'm a hoe ass nigga trying to get me caught. And go to jail like a nigga got a child support. And niggas know, nigga, dog, I used to be a dog. A nerdy type ass nigga now, I'm putting the burners out. And bring your brains poor nigga out your fucking mouth. The niggas see what the fuck I'm talking about. I know you hear the niggas okay. Them niggas in the hood say no pistol ways again. And niggas high on the bed, they know I don't give a fuck. I swear to the devil, niggas saying 10 is the level. And I'm in love with them all. Niggas none in love, that's make them fall. And then that shit, the death is calling, and the hood was small. All they do is talk about the kilo pistol. You say the roses red, nah bitch, the roses are dead. I know you hear, y'all nigga smell your fear. I know you hear, y'all nigga smell your fear. I know you hear, y'all nigga smell your fear. I know you hear the nigga, smell your fear. If a nigga like me coming around in a way with the spray, with the gauge for the East Coast music, they're slobbing the jewel in the stool, and a nigga like me was ruthless. It's ruthless, little gun in their brains, but they know what they be. When I touch with the things in the hood, but they know when I come in around, who'd wanna follow me? Cause I'm a leader that we lead to the death, and they bleed, and they out of their breath when they breathe. See what the niggas come around the bracket, and moving their motherfucking, and no matter what do it. See what I do, the niggas take them, I'm funny like a motherfucking dummy, and the niggas skip and jump with the gun in the hood with them bodies, and them niggas are bloody, then they see what they brother. They bugging on me with a Renault with a B with any family, son. And they say it's so strange, but the niggas so dangerous, and they know what they dreams, and they know what them be like. I'm back with the game. See this 4 o'clock. The nigga with the 4 shots with the 4 red dots. That I got my niggas spotted the brains with the top of the throat of the niggas, so they know what they mean. Season the trench with the praise in the transforming mic at the games of the marching, I'm born in you. See what the movements, and know what to see with them girls, and they're born like I'm holding a woman, and they say they queens. They live with themselves depth like they got power, you know what they mean. I'm not holding they catch them in the shower, they're thinking we gonna have sex in the game for like an hour, you think. Using your brain with them choosing them twin things when I shoot with the range, over this soul from the range. Know what the power with the range, they go with it, know what they be like with the hood with the soul, they know what they be. They keep doing trying to challenge the boys, and they got been in the MOB since I was a kid. And when I grew up, I got powerful, we're in the blade with the lyrics in the hood. You see, my life is sick. I'm a son, and I'm real with it. Coming around there with it. You already know what the niggas on the head trying to chill with. You know, I ain't dumb and shit. And I'm sick of these talkers. I already know they on my list. They see me in the closet, yo, like kids. And that I got tied up at the back of the back up. See what the niggas coming to rock and that load them shots up. And niggas got tits in their ass, nigga. I'm give a fuck about none of this shit. When I say I got no say with they nigga, I'm running this shit. Nobody know what the nigga like me. People branded the black and nobody know what the nigga did not see you in the sight. See the nigga transformation. Sick of the dead education and subvertation. Up with these local niggas already were back with it, nigga. I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know they hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know you hear that nigga, smell your fear. I know they hear that nigga, smell your fear. The niggas already know what the niggas say, and the truth of the game. So they know what the niggas and the niggas say. When niggas some pistols breaking the rules of the game. When niggas get to the lock of the mop. Nigga no rat and rats. Nigga don't give a fuck. I bet in the pro of the game. It's second the lowest on the years. And I can trick them with niggas that can play around like a this. And I can stick the burner to scene. Nigga the road. But then still the clips. You already know what the niggas come around with the burn steam clips. Breaking in the hood, burn your bodies when you in the burn your whole well. They don't give a fuck about none of this shit, cause y'all niggas betrayed this. Outside, so that they're the cadence to the motherfuckers out there, they coming on testing me. Every time you see little piss on the site, motherfuckers coming around the game, you still wanna fight. You wanna end my life, but I'm here, young, still untouchable. You can't touch the board, can't touch me at all. So you pussy niggas make it just drop your bitch ass and make your order take a fall. I'm around that I can take it to see, and then your dead bags in the game. You already take when I take them down, put them under them sheets. I put the gasoline in that bitch ass, double punishment, y'all from me. Coming around the hood, get the punish around. And my dog sitting in the scene, some of the dog in the draw. Come on, young with a little piss from the game. You already know how I do, nigga, over the years. And tattoo tears, they drove in my eye. Come around young, cause them pussy niggas get scared. Cause they already know I'm ready to reform. And just get ready to die, cause you already know the shit going. Death is always calling. You already know how I be with the rap still talking. Spin so your breath, niggas don't know. Give a fuck, young, start falling. And start walking like a motherfucker. Little nigga in the hood still just parking. The little brand new cars. Little niggas out there trying to bring new stars. Bitches call themselves queens. And niggas acting like they kings. Got the motherfucker more power than old piss in the game. Some of y'all, yeah, y'all know what they mean. Now I'ma bring you pain. And I'ma bring you your brains when your ass dies. See me all in hell. With the eternity through the darkness. And behind that motherfucker, behind the scene in the hood, y'all. Yeah, I'm God this. I'm God now, y'all. From the darkness when you fucking around, nigga. MOB, nigga. Motherfucker.